Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the bookback exercise of the lesson clothing. Fill in the blanks. In villages, people mostly wear dash clothes. Traditional. The dhoti is worn by men. The turban is an unstitched piece of cloth which is wound around the head. A dash is a substance used to change the color of the cloth. Dye. Red, blue and yellow are the three dash colors. Primary colors. Choose the correct answer. The clothes we wear depends on the weather, our culture, fashion, all of this. Which of these is a stitched garment? Sari, skirt, turban, dhoti. Skirt. Which of these is the method by which clothes are colored? Folding, dyeing, weaving, knitting. Dyeing. How many primary colors are there? 3, 2, 4, 7. 3. Patterns can be made on cloth through block printing, tie and dye, embroidery, all of this. Match the rows. In towns and cities, men wear trousers and shirts. The lungi is an unstitched garment worn by men. A dupatta is also called odhani or a chunari. The two types of dye are vegetable dyes and chemical dyes. Tie and dye is used widely in Rajasthan. Next, true or false? We all wear the same clothes. False. Dyes are used to color clothes. True. The sari is an unstitched garment worn by women. True. Clothes never lose their color on being washed. False. Andhra Pradesh is famous for kalamkari work. True. Answer the following questions. What are the different types of stitched garments? The types of stitched garments are shirts, trousers, jeans, t-shirts, salwar kameez, skirts, tops and jeans. What is unstitched clothing? Give 2 examples of unstitched clothing worn by women. The cloth is wrapped around the body in such a way that it takes on a certain shape. It's called unstitched clothing. Example, sari and chunari. What is the difference between dhoti and turban? Dhoti is a long piece of cloth which is tied in front below the waist. Turban is an unstitched piece of cloth which is owned by the head. Understood? Next, what are the two methods of making clothes from threads? Pulkari and Kanta. What is tie and dye? Where it is widely used? The cloth is folded, twisted and tied with strings before being dyed. After the color is applied, a portion of cloth is untied. The newly untied portion does not have color. Now, when it is dipped in another color again, this uncolored portion gets colored. It is called tie and dye. It is widely used in Rajasthan. Understood? For this, we finished our exercise part of the lesson, clothing. Tomorrow we will see we need clean air. Thank you.